Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, I have a surprise unbagging. This came from a viewer. Thank you, Jane. I have no idea what's inside of here, so let's open it together. Oh dear. We are in big trouble now. My goodness gracious. Holy Toledo. Yes, there is an envelope. See what it says. Oh, look at the cute little mouse. He's so sweet. How pretty. My goodness gracious. You have outdone yourself, Jane. Thank you so much. Let's find out what's in the bag. Are you as excited as me? You know me. I love packages. Okay, so there's a few kits in here. Just a few. Okay, I'm going to have to get this off the table, so give me a second. All right, I finally got it out of the bag. Let me put this over here so it doesn't fall off. Yes, this is a whole stack of cross-stitch kits. Oh, my goodness. And she lives in the UK. So, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Hopefully, we can see these. I am not going to open every one of them. I will just show you the pictures. Because, yeah, they are gorgeous. Let me get this picture out of the bag. I believe this is a Yeshu kit, 50 by 75, and it is Beauty and the Beast. How cool. I've seen this, but I have never seen it in person. But yeah, oh my goodness, look at that castle. Oh, yay, we are going to have fun with that one. Put that, I'm just going to, whoa, I knew that was going to happen. Make a stack down here because my desk is full. And this one is called Innocence. Isn't that cute? She's got a little cat. The cat's got a fish on top of its head. And the dog's got a bone on the top of his head. Isn't that cute? 14 count. Oh, that is so precious. You know, we may save this one for Valentine's Day. Just lovely. Let's see. There's a picture here. Not real sure. Well, let's see. Oh, it's a coach. And no, there isn't a big picture. Look at that. Can you see that? I hope I'll hold it as still as I possibly can. With all the flowers on that little individual coach. Beautiful. I love all the colors and all that stuff around the outside. That's my favorite stuff. I like doodads and flowers and like trim. Oh, love it. All right. And this next one, I did try to hold it as still as I possibly can. This is, it says 14 or 16 count. Let me see. It looks like, maybe 14 count. How beautiful. Just gorgeous. Look at all the colors and the water. Oh, outstanding. And then we have this little girl. I don't know if she's a fairy or what she is. Isn't she pretty? Look at those blue eyes. She reminds me of those big-eyed girls from like the 60s and 70s. And I can't remember the artist's name on those. But yeah, just lovely. And this is an 11 count, I think. Just beautiful. And then we have some Joy Sundays. Snowy Night of Christmas. 14 count. Isn't that beautiful? With all that snow and that blue. Oh, blue is just outstanding. 55 by 37. Just gorgeous. Beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. And we have the toy. Let's see, toy gifts and games. It says gift toy shop. So lovely. I love these storefront things, especially when they do put English in there. The ones that had like a foreign language, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just, yeah, I just couldn't relate. But these, I like that it has the English on it. Just beautiful. Another 14 count. My goodness gracious. And this one says Sleeping Alice. We got the hare, we got Alice, and a flamingo. And of course the clock, because he's late. He's late for a very important day. Oh, sorry. It says Sleeping Alice. Huh, I've never seen that before. And this one's an 11 count, 38 by 41. Ooh, I like that. I like the blues, of course, but I like the roses. It's going to be a little bit of back stitching, but nothing too terribly horrendous. Yeah, you know, we've gotten some horrendous back stitching, but back stitching, I've learned, makes everything. And then we have this one. It's called Christmas Snow. We have cardinals and a wreath, and they're out all in the snow. I used to get cardinals in at my bird feeder when I lived in Kansas in the wintertime because they were hanging. We had a porch. We had a covered porch. And so we hung them up, and then we also, there was pedestals. You know what I mean. Laughingly call them pedestals, but, you know, like right, and then in between you have the railing. Yeah, I don't know that pedestal would be the right word, but we drilled them into the pedestals, a couple of them, and then we hung some of them, but we'd always have cardinals. Just lovely. And this one's an 11 count too. Cool. Nice. Beautiful. And we have this one. It's called Christmas Town. Isn't that gorgeous? You got Santa at a boat, then the little village. Just beautiful. And this one's 14 count, 61 by 49. Holy cow, that's a big one. And it's a partial because the sky I can see is done in half cross stitch, so that's not so bad. You don't have all that sky to do. Yeah, oh geez, these drive me nuts. Beautiful and very nominal back stitching that I can see. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh, I keep hitting those. I'm sorry. And we have this one called Snowscape 2. It's a 14 count. Look at that sky. Oh my goodness gracious. Me, oh my. Beautiful. I like the little town scenes. I like these kind of buildings. They look so interesting to stitch. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. We got some new Christmas stuff. Whoops. Don't want to leave anything out. This is called Vase on the Windowsill 2. Look at those pretty pink flowers. There are pink flowers here and pink flowers in here. And then you got a pink donut or a cookie. Beautiful. They look like the cherry blossoms. Gorgeous. 29 by 29, so that's not too huge. And it's a partial again. Yay. Beautiful. I love that. Then we have this one is Hummingbird. 21 by 30. 14 count. Look at those. I think, are they petunias? Or, am I right? If I'm right, put it in the comments below. If I'm wrong, but what it actually is. And of course we have that beautiful hummingbird. Ah, And look at that lace in that window. Oh my gosh. Yes, beautiful. And this one, it's called Treasure Time. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I've never seen that one. And it's a Christmas scene. You got everybody out on the pond. Well, it's not a pond now. They're skating or sledding. And then you got somebody getting their skates on. You got a house, somebody taking gifts. You got dogs. You got everything. You got snowman, wreaths, Christmas trees. I love that. 55 by 43. And it's a partial again. But yeah, there's not much to that partial because, yeah, it's pretty much full coverage. Ooh. And last in this bag, I'm going to take this out of its, not out of its bag, but I just want to get to the picture. There's a sticker. Oh, maybe I don't have to do that. Now, I'll turn, look how pretty that is. And it's on that brown, oh, help me here, brown canvas, like my oriental ones are. This one's 11 count, 70 by 50, but look at all those beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. You got mountains and a cabin. Oh, just stunning. Stunning. So it's 70 by 50. So, okay, cool. Beautiful. One more look. Is that not gorgeous? Oh, we have to save that for January. Oh, my goodness. Well, thank you so much. Let me put that crinkle away because I know you can't hear me when it crinkles. Thank you so much, Jane. I appreciate each and every one of them. I love them all. They are just absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you, dear friend. Thank you, everyone, for watching. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.